Walking past the old bakery, morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can know. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. Flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. But now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot see, through alleyways and memories sweet. Presence linger incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk. This time I let it pass me by.
Almost gave up on the timing. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty sight. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door closed on me. Let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You worth the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade. Led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You worth the wait. I wore my doubt like a shadow. what was waiting there for me. You were worth the wait. There was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. And something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. Didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you. Didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outrun. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain. But every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears. And in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe you followed every turn you made, till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like it knew your name. It says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just a song that found you. I saw the way you looked at her, like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless, I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent line. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you loved me like no other. I guess you must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your